Today we're checking out the TELESIN Action Camera Neck Mount SE 2.0. Let's check what's in the box.
Right here is the adapter head that you can use to mount a normal camera or a phone holder. Fixing screw to secure your connection to the neck mount. An easy to follow user guide and an adjustment chest strap that will secure the neck mount to your body and keep it from moving around. And right here is the Neck Mount SE 2.0. And it's very bendable. You can bend it and form it on however you want. And it is coated with a skin-friendly material, so it is comfortable to wear even for long periods of time. They also place an air cushion at the back of the mount, so it will not hurt your chest in case it bounces while wearing it. The length of this neck mount would be too small to fit through your head, so this button right here is a switch that will release one side of the neck mount, which will allow you to wear it quickly and even remove it easily. This neck mount is really designed for long time wear and use because the part of the neck mount that rests at the back of the neck is flat and pleated, so to reduce the pressure at the back of the neck. The camera mount is also rotatable 360 degrees on both directions. Now to quickly show you how to use the adjustable chest strap. First, insert the chest strap on the side of the mount. It doesn't matter which side you want to start. Then adjust the strap long enough to reach the other end. Then insert the other end of the chest strap to the other side of the mount. Then tighten the chest strap according to your liking. And now the neck mount is securely attached to your body. So even if you bend down, the camera and the neck mount will stay attached to your body. This neck mount has been a huge help for me in my video recordings. It gave me a free hand while I'm trying to do something or record something that is in front of me. This is also an amazing tool in my travels because all I need to do is wear it on my neck, hit record without any strain on my neck because of its skin-friendly silicone design. And since it's compatible on most action cameras and with the included head adapter, I'm able to use this neck mount with all my cameras. So guys, this is the TELESIN Neck Mount SE 2.0. Get yours today and thanks for watching.